Hey there, future scientists. Have you ever stopped to think about where energy comes from? It powers our homes, our schools, and even our favorite video games. Energy is the ability to do work, and it's everywhere. Now, there are two main types of energy sources, renewable and non-renewable. Imagine a rechargeable battery that never truly runs out. That's kind of like renewable energy. Non-renewable energy, on the other hand, is like using up all the juice in a regular battery. Understanding the difference between these energy sources is super important for our planet's health. So, are you ready to learn more? Let's dive in. Renewable energy sources are like gifts that keep on giving. They come from natural resources that regenerate over time, so we don't have to worry about them running out. Pretty cool, right? These sources are all around us, from the sun shining bright in the sky to the wind whooshing through the trees. Even the flow of water in rivers and oceans can generate renewable energy. Renewable energy is much cleaner than its counterpart, and it significantly reduces our impact on the planet. But, and there's always a but, harnessing these sources can be tricky and sometimes depends on the weather. Let's explore some fantastic examples of renewable energy in the next section. Get ready to be amazed. Let's start with the most abundant and readily available source of energy we know, the sun. The sun provides us with an almost limitless supply of energy every day. By harnessing this energy, we can significantly reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and move towards a more sustainable future. Solar panels are designed to capture sunlight and convert it into electricity. These panels are made up of photovoltaic cells that absorb sunlight and create an electric current. This technology allows us to power everything from small gadgets to entire homes. It's like magic, but science. The efficiency of solar panels has improved dramatically over the years, making them a viable option for many households and businesses. Then we have wind energy. Wind turbines capture the kinetic energy of the wind and convert it into electricity. This form of energy is especially effective in areas with consistent wind patterns. Just like old-fashioned windmills, modern wind turbines use the power of the wind to generate electricity. These towering structures are a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to harness natural forces. Isn't it incredible how we can harness something invisible to power our homes? Wind energy is clean, renewable, and has a much smaller environmental footprint compared to traditional energy sources. Moving on to hydropower, have you ever seen a dam? Dams are engineering marvels that help us control the flow of water to generate electricity. They help us generate electricity from the flow of water. By channeling water through turbines, we can produce a significant amount of energy without emitting greenhouse gases. It's a fantastic example of using the power of nature for our benefit. Hydropower is one of the oldest and most reliable forms of renewable energy. Lastly, we have geothermal energy, which comes from the Earth's internal heat. This energy source is both sustainable and incredibly efficient. By tapping into this heat, we can produce electricity and even heat our homes directly. How cool is that? Geothermal energy is a constant and reliable source of power, making it an excellent addition to our renewable energy portfolio. Section 4, the energy we borrow. Now let's talk about non-renewable energy sources. These are resources that are finite, meaning they will eventually run out. Think of it like this. We have a limited supply, and once it's gone, it's gone. Fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas fall under this category. While they've been our primary energy source for a long time, it's essential to understand their impact on the environment. Burning fossil fuels releases harmful pollutants into the air, contributing to climate change, something we definitely want to avoid. So, while non-renewable energy sources have been essential for our development, it's high time we focus on transitioning to more sustainable alternatives. Section 5, Fossil Fuels, from dinosaurs to our homes. You might be surprised to learn that fossil fuels actually come from ancient plants and animals that lived millions of years ago. Talk about dinosaurs. Over time, these remains were buried under layers of rock and sediment. The immense pressure and heat transformed them into the coal, oil, and natural gas we use today. It's a fascinating process, but it also reminds us that these resources are finite. We extract these fossil fuels from the earth through mining and drilling. While this process provides us with energy, it also has environmental consequences. It's important to remember that our planet's resources are precious, and we must use them responsibly.
Check, check. Check 1, check 2, check, check.
Section 6. Weighing the pros and cons. Each energy source, whether renewable or non-renewable, has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Understanding these can help us make informed decisions about our energy future. Let's weigh them in to understand the bigger picture. By examining both sides, we can see the trade-offs and benefits more clearly. Renewable energy sources are environmentally friendly, emitting significantly fewer greenhouse gases. They help combat climate change and reduce our carbon footprint. Plus, they are sustainable and won't run out, ensuring a greener future for generations to come. This sustainability is crucial for long-term environmental health. However, the initial cost of setting up renewable energy infrastructure can be high. This can be a barrier for many communities and countries. Also, their reliability is sometimes dependent on weather conditions, which can be a drawback. For instance, solar panels need sunlight, and wind turbines need wind to generate power. Non-renewable energy sources, on the other hand, are readily available and have a well-established infrastructure. This makes them a convenient choice for many. They are also relatively inexpensive compared to their renewable counterparts. This cost-effectiveness is a significant factor in their widespread use. However, the environmental impact of burning fossil fuels is a major concern. They contribute to air and water pollution, and their extraction can cause significant ecological damage. They pollute the air and water, leading to various health and environmental problems. The long-term consequences of this pollution are severe, affecting both human health and the planet's ecosystems. Section 7. Powering a brighter future. Now that we've explored the world of renewable and non-renewable energy sources, it's clear that our planet's future depends on making smart choices today. Renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower are not only sustainable, but also help reduce our carbon footprint. By investing in these technologies, we can ensure a cleaner, greener planet for future generations. Conserving energy is one of the most impactful ways we can contribute to a sustainable future. Simple actions like turning off lights when they're not needed, using public transportation, and supporting energy-efficient building designs can collectively make a significant difference. Every little bit counts and can make a big difference. Small changes in our daily habits can lead to substantial energy savings over time. Turn off lights when you leave a room and encourage others to do the same. Unplug electronics when not in use, as they can still consume energy even when turned off. And opt for energy-efficient appliances. These appliances use less energy and can save you money on your electricity bill. Remember, saving energy is like becoming a superhero for our planet. Each action we take helps protect our environment and ensures a healthier world for everyone. By understanding where our energy comes from and how our choices impact the environment, we can all become responsible citizens of the world. Education and awareness are key to making informed decisions that benefit both us and the planet. So, let's join hands and pledge to use energy wisely, conserve wherever we can, and create a brighter and more sustainable future for everyone. Together, we can make a difference and ensure a better world for generations to come.